So what I got here is the index page of the soccertrainingwizard.com, and here we have several different types of pre-installed content that WordPress automatically installs once you press that install WordPress button. And the first one we want to get rid of is the pre-installed post. In this case it is named to Hello World, and there is some content in the post as well. So if you go back to the dashboard and then click on posts, we will see this post in this section, and obviously there is only one single post because we have not created any posts yet. Basically there are two ways to delete a post on. The first one is to use the bulk actions, which is to mark that little box on the left of the title and then choose move to trash. Now if we had like 50 or different posts available here, this feature will really be useful. However, as we only have one, we can easily delete this post by clicking on the trash link, which will then move the post to the trash. And let's just click on that, and as you can see, one post is moved to the trash. Now the great thing about WordPress is that even if you mess up things and delete a post that you actually don't want to delete, you can just click on the undo button, or the link in this case, and the post is going to appear back in your post dashboard. So if you just go ahead and click on the trash again and remove this post, then if we go back to our site, we will see that there is nothing found. So the post has been successfully deleted, and the WordPress can't simply find any posts because we obviously removed it to the trash can. Anyway, the second thing we want to get rid of that is pre-installed with the WordPress installation are the pages. So if you click on pages, you will notice that there is simply one sample page available. If you just check out this page for the sake of it, you will see that it doesn't actually contain any useful information at all. There is just a jargon of text that doesn't say pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this page on the same way like I deleted the post we had in the previous section. So just click on the trash link and the page is going to be removed to the trash can. Obviously you can undo this by clicking on the undo link, and the page is going to appear in the pages dashboard again. So deleting a page or a post works pretty much the same, and there is actually nothing complicated about it at all. Alright, so let's go back to our site again and the index page, and you probably have noticed the meta section over here at the bottom left. Now this is pretty ugly, and there's a simple way to get rid of this as well, and I will next show you how to do this as well. So the step 3 is to remove the meta section available at the bottom left on the index page. So let's go ahead and do this. So back in the dashboard, what you need to do is to hover over the left navbar and under the appearance click on the widgets. Inside here you will have three main sections: available widgets, widget area, and inactive widgets. Now the first one, available widgets, are the ones that you can drag inside the widget area, which is the area where you publish your widgets that are going to be available and visible on your website. Now the third one to the bottom left is inactive widgets. This is obviously self-explanatory, and this is where you drag the widgets that you want to make inactive. So what I'm gonna do is to drag the meta widget to the inactive widgets, and if we go back to our site and then click on refresh, you will see that the meta section has disappeared. So this is basically how you remove the meta section. You can also remove the archives, categories, recent comments on the same way like we did for the meta section. So let's just drag those to inactive widgets, archives, categories, recent comments. Alright, let's just leave those two, and then go back to the website and click on refresh. And just as you can see, all those sections has been removed. So those are the basically widgets that we use to customize our website. Alright, so this is basically what you need to know about removing automatically installed content by the WordPress installation. In the next section I'm gonna cover the what you see is what you get editor, so make sure you stay tuned. See you next.